What happened?
Can I get a new best friend?
All I went to.
Oh fuck.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a little bit of bookmark while we're in Goa, and since I have my best friend with me, I thought I'll be taking like a challenge with him, and that is the BFF challenge. Tuned guys, right now we have some amazing like seekh kebab and pizza which I cannot pick up right now.
It's too heavy, but yeah.
Yeah, but we will show you guys what it is. So I'm actually on this website called pairedlife.com, and out here they have a list of questions that you can ask your friend, and yeah, let's see. I'm going to pick like the most interesting ones that I see from here because I'm too lazy to think of questions. So yeah, let's get ahead and dive right into this. So the first question is, what is one food I cannot live without?
I mean, people who know Sneha or who don't know Sneha, it's Maggie for her.
That's actually true. I love my Maggie. I love it a lot. Once a week I at least need Maggie, or else I start cribbing like a little girl, you know, and my mom, everyone's just fed up of that. So for you, it's gonna be pasta. Basically anything Italian. So pasta came to my mind.
Wrong.
What? How is it wrong?
It's pizza.
Pasta,
Or
pizza,
hummus.
same thing, na?
No.
Italian only it is. That's why I said it. That's why I gave a brief this thing कि it's Italian. अब Italian में कुछ भी चलेगा ना मतलब.
It's like a food, not a cuisine.
Okay, ठीक है, okay, fine. I said pasta and pizza, either one.
No.
Okay, so 1 point for Bhavish.
Because they're both wrong. It's hummus and pizza, and you know that.
Yeah, but I knew it was Italian सबसे पहले. But you can live without hummus and pizza. I've not seen you hogging on hummus and pizza.
1-0.
This is so bad, I'm already losing. Okay, but what is my favorite color? I actually know, let's not ask that question, it's very easy. Okay, when and where did we meet?
I want to go first.
Okay. So Bhavish and
I'll
I,
answer the where, you answer the when. We met in ISME college.
he's such a meanie, he knows that I don't remember dates and stuff, so he's put this on to me. And yeah, but since he's like the guest or whatever, so I'll probably just sulk it in. But yeah, that's true. We actually met at ISME, our college, and we became super close friends since like the first week itself. Like, you know, there was an instant essay connection. Thank you. We met in July. I don't remember the date, but it was an orientation, which was Coffee by the Dean, which was the first day of our college, like wherein all of us like met for the very first time. So मुझे email करके date देखना पड़ेगा, but I don't remember the date.
26 July, 3:45 p.m.
I have to cross check that, but this guy is really good with dates.
Our coffee boarding was at 4, and I and you both reached early because you were coming from bus, and I reached early because of the rains. We were the first ones around in the class. 3:45.
Okay, so I get like half a mark,
No, you
and
don't.
you get 1 mark. Why? मैंने वो सही बोला था यार.
ISME was but obvious.
Listen,
Take it 2.5. 2.5.
ऐसे wrong होता है. तो तूने पहले वो चीज select करी जो
Because
काफी
even
easy
you
थी.
know that when you don't know it.
Listen, exactly. So you knew, so you basically took advantage of my thing that you
How
know
would
that I
I take
don't
an
remember
advantage?
dates.
So it's my fault. You can say I lost the challenge. Don't say anything. Can I have some
No,
coke,
what?
please?
Yeah, but no. Alright. What food do I hate?
So should it be like a food item or?
It just says what food do I hate. I think it can be a cuisine also. Like it's a broad-ended question, open-ended.
Okay. Fruits. Anything with has fruits in it.
You're not like ever looking forward to like proper typical as a khana.
Or khana that you hate. Bhindi roti.
I can do bhindi roti.
Of
There's
course
one thing
I
that I
know.
hate. You know it very well. Oh shit, I'm nailing this. You know it very well.
Onion garlic.
What? No, not that. वो तो मैं खा नहीं सकती हूँ. You know it. It was you and you love it. You want me to have it.
Alcohol.
That's not food. Paneer.
You don't hate paneer.
I hate paneer.
You eat paneer.
No, I don't. Okay, he doesn't know me, guys. I have just officially decided to disown him.
So you don't eat paneer, you mean to say? Never.
What is that? इसमें क्या लिखा है कि what food do I hate the most? You know मुझे पनीर बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं यार. Paneer, palak, you know? Yeah, no. The guy does not know me, guys. Fake best friend.
Okay, me.
He earlier hated mushrooms, but now he likes
What
them.
do I hate now, currently, not earlier?
Right now you hate. He hates noodles.
What?
Whenever I call for noodles, you make a face like the zabardasti.
Didn't we just yesterday have noodles and rice?
It was because of me.
No, it's not hating. If hating is did you eat paneer, that's hating. Again. Two half.
No. I like listen. Even मैंने तेरे को भी बहुत सारा वो दिया था chances.
No chance.
अभी इतना सारा मैंने गलत बोला.
Fruits मैंने right बोला है. Just you don't want to look at fruits. तूने तो
Food
completely wrong बोला. Second chance बोल. You should know because you eat it well because I don't eat it.
Mushroom.
No.
So,
You eat it from my plate whenever I don't eat it.
oh veggies. Veggies is not food.
Specific veggies also which I hate it, you know.
Capsicum you hate.
Guys, this is capsicum.
No capsicum.
No, I do like capsicum.
played me.
There's something worse than capsicum.
Tomatoes.
Gotcha.
Do we have any inside jokes?
A lot.
That's what she said.
I had an inside joke.
It is an inside joke. We'll laugh over it.
Okay, there are a lot of inside jokes, but something which is funny.
It's so good.
देखो इन्हें ये है ओस की बूंदे. So you know, whenever Sneha is being like Sneha, I always refer to as Darshil Safari from Tare Zameen Par or something like that because she just in her zone and she just is lost somewhere. So yeah, that's just the background music when Sneha acts super dumb, which is like 90% times. That's apparently my ringtone also. Yeah.
When did that happen?
You
मैंने
don't know
कभी
your
नहीं
best
सुना.
friend? Damn.
तेरा फोन जरा अरे रुक जा. This is very easy. What was the last mall I went to?
Palladium Phoenix 2 days back.
तू ये ना.
Okay. Nita.
थोड़ा देना थोड़ा.
No. Nita.
I think I'm dropping the point system, guys. Let's just make it super chill. Okay, this is one last question. Something that I would want for my birthday.
That depends because your mood changes every single month. Mate. There's nothing specific that you want on your birthday. There are so many things that you wish for.
At least say one of those. It's not like there's no right or wrong answer to this.
A trip to some place. I'm thinking in a birthday at 12 at some nice something overlooking location. And for you it's beaches usually.
Yeah, I mean, ठीक है, sure.
It's mine.
You would want to be surrounded by your super close ones and maybe at a destination. But for you, being with your close ones is like the best.
Yeah,
one, whether
okay.
It is
Okay.
like you can't copy me.
Okay, I mean, cool.
You can't copy me.
You got 1/4 point.
Just go. For you, that's the most important thing. You
Okay.
just have to be with your close ones. And gifts and all that, it does not really matter to him as long as it's something that's heartfelt. And
She just
something
says it
that
because she
is-
sucks at giving gifts, hence she like heartfelt. She keeps on saying it.
No, not really.
Like my birthday gift was amazing. I got an Adidas perfume. That too, it was kept at her place, not bought. जो रखा होता ना for people or people who gifted. She just re-gifted it to me. And with just a letter because she wanted to be cute. So she like, I'll give you a letter, right? But it was like an Adidas perfume. What was your birthday gift?
किससे गिर रही है यार? Listen guys, that's not it. I'll tell you all. This happened in the first year of college when we were not that close. Like बाद में थोड़े होने लगे, स्टार्टिंग में थे, बीच में थोड़े नहीं थे, फिर बाद में वापस हुए, ठीक है, थोड़ा अजीब सा रिलेशन था. तो उस टाइम मैं क्या करूँ, मैं क्या दूँ, समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. लाइक चल परफ्यूम तो सबको पसंद है, पर लड़कों की चॉइसेस, आई मीन दिस सच लिमिटेड ऑप्शंस यार. But then talk about the Secret Santa gift. I nailed it with Secret Santa gift, guys. Just say I nailed it. खुलती बंद होगी ना, चलो.
Eating. If you crib at night, you're like whack, 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 whack. Cool bro, take half a point. Leave me alone.
Okay guys, that's it for the BFF tag.
And I think I won clearly.
No.
इतना difference था.
इतना मतलब
4-2.
नहीं, 2 नहीं से ज़्यादा हो गया था. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope तुम्हें हमारा टाइम पास अच्छा लगा.